biggest battle just got brutal. David Ellison isn't backing down. Just days after Netflix shocked the entertainment world with an $82.7 billion deal for Warner Bros. Discovery's crown jewels, the legendary Hollywood studio, and HBO, Paramount has fired back with a massive hostile takeover bid worth $108.4 billion. But here's the twist: Paramount wants it all. While Netflix only wanted WBD's studio and streaming assets, leaving behind CNN, Discovery Channel, and the traditional TV networks, Paramount is making an all-cash offer for the entire company. It's a bold, aggressive move that puts every WBD shareholder on notice. There's a better deal on the table. And the stakes? They could not be higher. This isn't just about money. It's about power, politics, and the future of American media. David Ellison and his billionaire father Larry Ellison have the Trump administration in their corner. The president has praised Paramount's recent changes, including hiring controversial writer Barry Weiss to run CBS News and even reportedly requesting a fourth Rush Hour movie. Follow the money and it gets even more interesting. Backing Paramount's bid? Jared Kushner's investment fund, Saudi Arabia's public investment fund, and Qatar's sovereign wealth authority. It's a geopolitical poker game playing out in Hollywood boardrooms. For employees at CNN and CBS News, it's an emotional roller coaster. There was brief relief when Netflix's deal seemed to spare them from a merger. But now, Paramount's hostile bid has reignited fears of massive job cuts and newsroom consolidations. One CBS staffer said merging with CNN was the one thing that would make me genuinely worried about losing my job. Paramount isn't holding back. In their pitch to shareholders, they're calling Netflix's deal inferior, a mix of cash and stock of uncertain value and a challenging regulatory process. Paramount claims their all-cash offer provides superior value and a faster path to approval, with Trump's blessing virtually guaranteed. But Netflix isn't out yet. Their $82.7 billion deal is still on the table. And despite Paramount's aggressive rhetoric, there's no guarantee shareholders will bite. Warner Bros. Discovery's board has already rejected multiple Paramount offers during the bidding process. The deadline, January 8th at 5 p.m. That's when Paramount's hostile tender offer expires, unless they want to extend it. David Ellison says he's here to fight for value and won't back down. But Trump threw a curveball on Monday morning, lashing out at Paramount and CBS News over a 60 minutes interview, calling the network no better than the old ownership. So what happens next? Two media giants locked in a bidding war, billions of dollars at stake, the Trump administration watching closely, and thousands of employees wondering if they'll still have their jobs when the dust settles. Welcome to Hollywood's most expensive grudge match. With Debangna Datta, Bureau Report, India Today Global.